Amazing. So what happened with me, guys, is that I was scammed. They took $1.2 million from my account. So what happened exactly is I was trading on this exchange, right? I was trading on their platform. I was using their indicators, the indicators they provided. I was simply using three indicators: SAR, parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands, and the RSI. And the RSI. The problem was that I don't know. They said no. I made good sum of money on their platform, and they said that. And once I tried to withdraw my money, they said that no, you can't do that. You can't withdraw your money. Why? Because I wasn't playing with their rules. And the real reason, yeah, another win. So the real reason, guys, is that they wanted me to lose. They want you to lose. They will make money when you lose money. And that's their first attention, like casino. They are casinos. So what happened is that I gave him free access. I told him, look, I wasn't cheating. My strategy is simple. It's basic. Using indicators, using my chart pattern, using the rules from my strategy. Sorry. By the way, the strategy is explained. The strategy I'm using here to trade binary options is explained in a course in the description below. If you're interested, just go take a look at the course, and yeah, you will learn the strategy that I use. And I told them, look, just give me my money back, and I will delete your account, my account on your platform, and I will never come back to this crypto exchange. I was using the same strategy on iqoption, on Codex. I never had problems with these platforms, but the other platform, the other crypto exchange, to be more specified, and crypto exchange that I had problem with. I did not have the problem with iqoption or Codex or Pocket Option or Olympic Trade. I had a problem with this trading platform or exchange, crypto exchange, and they did not respond. They did not respond to my emails yet. This has been more than 1 week, and I did not get my money back. I'm trying my best to get my money back, but I have no clue how to do it, to be honest. I have no clue. So I need you to be careful, guys. I need you to be careful when you're choosing the platform where you are trading. You need to look for reviews. You need to try it. So try on demo account, for example. Try to look for the best one for you before investing and deposit any money on their platform, right? Before depositing any money, please try. Yeah, please try on demo account. Look what people said about them, if they had problems, because let's face it, imagine you are having a good strategy, right? A good strategy on their platform. You are trading perfectly. You are making money, and then once you want to withdraw your money from their platform, they will take everything. Yeah, this is frustrating. This is crazy, right? Imagine that. So that's what happened with me. Hopefully, I was investing my money also on other exchanges. I was investing my money on Binance, for example. I never had problem with Binance. Yeah, Coinbase also. I never had problem with Coinbase, but this crypto exchange, new crypto exchange, I tried it and then lost everything. I lost everything. They took everything. My money is still on hold. My account is banned. I contacted them via emails. They responded. They said that the using the techniques you was using is not allowed. I asked them what is not allowed. What is not? Yeah, another win. Great. I asked them what is not allowed. They did not respond. They didn't respond, so they took my money. They took my money. Let's face it, that's my problem. That's my mistake. It's on me. I made that mistake by choosing the wrong crypto exchange. So be careful, guys, when you're choosing your crypto exchanges. Yeah. All right, so let's go. Here, as you can see, this one is going up. By the way, guys, I'm sharing these trading sessions for free for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will have the same results. I'm not saying that you will have the same results. Trust me. Trading binary option is risky. Trading crypto is risky. I want you to be careful. If you don't have a good strategy, if you don't have good knowledge, you will lose money. You will lose money. So I want you to be careful. I want you to learn and learn, keep learning, try to understand what different indicators, how different indicators work, how different strategies work. So, and yeah, in the course I will discuss these stuffs. But if you're not interested in my course, that's okay. You can learn from free stuff on the internet. There's books, there's free videos on YouTube that will teach you yeah, plenty of good stuff. So just go there and yeah. So as you can see, guys, I'm trading on pound USD. Yeah, I'm trading on pound USD. I'm investing $500, as you can see here, $500. All right. Yeah, another win. Another win. Let's see. Yeah, I guess this one is gonna be the last candle that I'm gonna trade with. All right. This, yeah, this candle. Let's see. All right. Yeah. So yeah, this one is going down. Sorry, this one, this one, this one. Not this one, not this one, not this one. And not here, right? Not here. Great. Let's go here. So the strategy is explained in the course. Just go to the course, try to learn a thing or two, and hopefully, yeah, let's wait for it. You will make profit at the end. Great. So see you later, guys.